So you are creating a product. Reliance Mobile. This is not. No, project is different. Sorry. Close. This is the one. Okay. By seeing the solution itself, we can easily understand. You see, I created a project with the mobile and everything. Now what I want to do is I want to edit. When I come edit, you see, I got a name, mobile description and everything. I think we completed this one. Edit also.
It is populating. We need to submit that.
Okay. Got it. So we got the data. Yeah. Fine. I understand. Your voice is breaking. Don't worry. So in the edit, you need to have few more things. Go here. Take a edit product.html, and then here after a brand ID, you need to have an image here, right? Between the type ID and product cost, you need to have an image, right? Say yes or no. So come here, go down.
Right.
Take this guy. You need to take this guy. Go here. You have to put it. Understood? Say yes or no. Now go back. You see the update product model. Whether you're having an image file path. Here, this image file path you can have, and then this it's an interface. You need to use interface, right click, quick action, just use ASP HTTP code so that this IFormFile will get the data. So save all, go back in the edit product model. There is a one more thing we have to do. Yesterday we forgot, right? Here we have to see ENC type. What is that? ENC type equal to multi-part form data. So when you upload a file, this IFormFile will come. On top of that, I want to display the older image. So what I will do, I create this div. Okay, I say product image, and here I don't want to pass anything. Just I'm removing the ASP for. Okay, and then I remove this also, the span tag. Simply I use img src is equal to, I'm going to remove that src width equal to 100 pixel, height equal to 100 pixel. Okay, listen carefully, and this is how you have to do. In the src, what are the index.html image we are having, right? How you are adding the image? You see this guy, you have to copy this guy path, copy, go back, you put it. and remove this entire stuff. Model at model dot image file path. Okay. Now what happened when you edit, what are all the image you are retrieving? That image will be displayed here. You are uploading that image here. Now save, run. Cannot implicitly convert IFormFile. Okay.
We need to provide
Yeah, go to
string file.
product controller, go to your update product. Here, whatever the logic you build it here, the same logic we need to build here also. Okay, so before building that, what you need to do, if I need to build a logic, right? If update product not equal to null. Okay, now here inside, no need. Just remove this. Just copy this entire stuff once again. Okay, whenever you add a new image, you need to have this. Okay, you see, instead of model, you will use update product model. Update product model dot image dot file name. Now here you have to pass date product model dot image. Here I'm sorry, internet was being off. Can I continue?
Sir. Huh? Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you need to do, go to your definition, you pass here string file path. String file path. Okay. Now go to implementation, product controller, right click, go to definition. No, this is going to a definition. Go to product service, update product model, you pass string file path. Now what you need to do here, you simply update the file path. Am I right? So we did it for the last week. Okay. Now you update the file path. So whatever the file path you are receiving here, you are going to update. Now in the update, there is a one small logic you have to build. Tell me what is that logic? Can anyone? In the product controller, I want to build a small logic. Tell me what is that logic? Whenever you are uploading a file, you are creating an image. If there is already available file, I'm not uploaded, what will happen? Do I need to delete the old file and you need to create a new file? Am I right or wrong? Because here you will keep on adding the file, right? I will show you. That will understand clearly. File path. Okay. Now put a breakpoint, run a project. Oh, got it. Go here. In the model, you are having a form file, right? Same way you will have image URL. That is the best option to get it. Public string image URL. Okay. Now this should have string dot empty. Okay. Now go back to your edit product. You have to use here image URL. Okay. Now in the product service edit method, where is your edit method? Get product by ID. Here you should not use this. You should use image URL equal to product model dot image file path. Understand? Because this will hold the string value that URL is also holding. Okay. Now go here in the update product model. Whenever the URL is coming, you are going to bind into your edit product. Now build the project. Yeah, build succeeded. Where is that product model? Update product model.cs. Okay. Build. Done. Now run it. When you click on edit, You see there is an image. Will you be able to see the image? Say yes or no.
You're right. Yeah.
Everyone. Prasanna, Mahesh, Kiran,
Correct.
Nitin Borze.
Sir.
See, if I want to choose a file, I will choose. If I don't want to choose a file, I don't want to choose, right? So just go right now. I'm trying to choose a file. How I'm going to choose a file is I'll take some screenshots, okay? Let's take the screenshot, uploaded. Now I'm saying Vivo, everything is fine. In the description, I'm updating some more XYZ, okay? And then come down, submit. Here, you see the product model is getting an image, IFormFile is getting or not, with a different screenshot. Now what I want to do, I want to come here, create a GUID. Once again, I create that file and then I'm giving to the product service. This product service will update the model back to the database. You see, image is changed. The data, whatever I entered is changed, updated is changed. Say yes or no.
Right.
Prasanna, Biren Mohammed, Mahesh, Kiran. Kiran, are you new today? Mr.
Yes,
Kiran,
sir. Yes, sir.
where are you from?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay, fine. You understand, right? So Samsung mobile description, mobile, everything is been added. But the only thing is, when you make change of an image, do you need to delete the existing image in your project? Do you need to delete the existing image or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. So to do that, do I need to build a logic? So what is the logic I have to build? Here, if update product model dot image file path not equal to null, right? Because the image IFormFile is having a data. So what I want to do, I want to delete the existing file. So how do I do the deleting an existing file? String file name equal to, no, string file name, instead of string file name, delete file. I can give a delete file. Delete file name equal to underscore webroot. Okay, I do one thing. I form this value on top here before I form the file so that I got the image file name, right? So what I can do, image file plus product model, update product model dot image URL. I got the path, and then if file dot, file is a class dot, file dot exist of delete file name, you simply delete a file. How to delete a file? Can anyone tell me? Quick action. If not, file delete exist. No need this. Why da? What happened? Quick action. No, not required. Simply use this. If file exists, delete the file. How do I delete? File dot. Why system.io delete of delete file name? Here you have to use using system.io.
Files name maybe.
They already deleted. I'll take that code. Product controller. See, this is how you have to use. If system dot.
तेरा छोटा बेटा हम गैस नहीं दिला सालिक सर oh
Sir, I don't know Hindi.
sorry sir.
Okay. So what will happen? When the image file path not equal to null, if the image you are not added, if you are adding an image, what will happen? You need to delete it. Once you delete it, you are going to update this. Am I right? Yes or no? You will update. Okay, and then you will pass this file path. Why this file path is coming outside? Okay, do one thing. You copy this file path, take here and declare a variable equal to string dot empty. Okay, now come back. You use file path so that it will be common for both the methods. It will access here also. Now finish it. Clear, ma? Now save all. Try to run a program. Now go back, edit, choose file, go to program. Now I changed the file. Now come up, click on submit, come down. I'm continuing. I'm getting an image file path. I'm getting the file path. And then the total file path I have. Okay. And then I'm coming here. Project file path as a value. So I'm getting the file path. Why image URL is null? Update product model image URL is null. Why? It should not, right? Hmm? You have a data, but why the image URL is null? Product model should have a data. Okay, you have to call this method. I mean, see, you are getting the existing image file path, so that I'm going to create this. Now go back. What you need to do, the update product model will not get the existing image path. So what you need to do, you need to call a existing image. For that, go here in the iProduct service, string get image path. Okay, string, no, pass the ID, GUID, GUID of ID. Okay, now what you need to do? What you need to do? You need to implement this method or not? Guys, please say yes or no. In the iProduct service, right click, quick action, implement interface. Now go back. Where is my get product image? Yeah. Now here, you simply get a product model. Product model null, product model equal to this dot product service repository dot product repository dot tracks dot where e lambda e dot id equal to id dot first star default. Now, if product model equal to null, throw new exception, product item is not null. Okay, and then string, I simply say return product model dot image path. See, I'm passing an ID. It is returning my image path. Now I'm going to get this image path. Go back to your product controller here in the update method. Before calling this, before calling here, string image URL equal to this dot underscore product service dot get image path of update model dot id. So what will happen? I'll get the image URL. With that image URL, I will delete the file. Okay, so here you don't need to use this one. You simply use the normal variable, which is nothing but a image URL. Okay, now run it. Now go back to the edit. Just go and change the file. Submit. Invalid exception.
How it is going to save against that same product itself? Because you are just changing the product. How you are keeping this product image only? While updating, you are passing the ID as well with respect to the that product.
Wait. Product model cannot be tracked because another instance with the same ID is already being tracked. When attaching entity, ensure that only entity instance is the given value. So you have to enable sensitive data logging to conflict the values. See, basically, we written a code for that also. You see here, and this guy, go to definition. Implementation. This has been fixed on that day. See, this is how we have to do. Once we get the image, we have to detach the product model. If you are not detaching the product model, what will happen? It will create a problem. Okay. So Ashok and Varsha, we already did this last time, right? So what happened? In a single call, you are connecting to the same database with the two different calls, right? For
This
that,
was
you
the
need
error.
to
Yeah.
detach this. Yeah, we need to detach the entity state. Okay, so how to do that is here. Product controller, update product. Now, before update product, you are going to get the get image, right? Go to definition, go to implementation here. If it is null, you have to do if product model not equal to null. Okay. You need to implement that code. What is that code? This dot underscore product repository dot entity. You're saying you are going to use an entity of product model, entitize product model, entity, entry, sorry, product model, entry, dot state equal to Microsoft dot data dot, sorry, entity framework core dot entity state dot detached. Okay. So if this particular database, see the same table in a single transaction call you're using. So what happened when you call that method, you first detach it and then you try to update it. Understand, everyone? Everyone understand? Please say yes or no. Akhil, Mahesh. Hello? Am I audible?
Yes.
Others? Akhil, Biren,
Yes, sir.
Nitin, Prasanna, Srinivas Rao, Swapnil, Varsha. You understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very simple. See, see in a single call. Let me show you. See, I'm making a call from the front end to here. Okay. What happened? I'm having a database repository here. Okay. This guy will talk to data types 1 time and 2 times with the same table. For what I'm doing, when I received that first request, receive a request from DB, and then what we need to do, next step, detach the model from the entity. Okay. And then make a second call from the DB. Make a second call from the DB. This is what you have to do. That is what I did. See, first what I'm doing in the product controller, first I'm getting an image. When I get an image from the database, here I'm making a DB call. Am I right? Say yes or no. Am I making a DB call or not? Everyone. Am I audible? Biren, Mahesh.
Yes.
See guys, you have to speak. Whether you are understand or not, I really don't know.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
You
sir.
have to speak. It is your responsibility. Keeping in mute doesn't make sense. Unmute yourself. Biren. Guys, I'm telling you unmute.
Yeah, you're calling the repository and product class, product table.
That's what I'm saying. See, you are calling an image, and then what you are doing, if the model is available, you are detaching the state of this call. Once you detach, the corresponding update will happen. You see here. Now go here. Image is deleted already. I go back. I'll take this one. Edit. Something is there. You go. Just update the image. You say XYZ. XYZ. Okay. And then come down, submit. You see, image is replaced.
It's not submit. It should be update rate button call.
Yes,
button name.
it is updated.
Yeah, button name should be update. It should not be submit in edit.
That I can change, not a problem.
Yeah, it's confusing. Okay.
Go to edit product. You're telling this one, right?
Yeah, button name. Submit in place of submit. It should be update.
Fine. That's all. Now everything is completed. Shall we do tomorrow deployment
Yes.
with the Docker? Or can we do it on Monday?
Sure. Sir. Yeah, even we will also see some.
Okay, I will do tomorrow deployment on Docker. Okay, I'm deleting.
Sure. Yeah.
I'm deleting. Now what we can do, we can create a product, we can delete the product. We'll do the deployment by tomorrow so that we will be Perfect. That issue also we need to fix it. The
Okay.
one which we have, right, the CSS file issue. That also we need to fix it. I will work it out over the weekend. I'll show
Okay.
you. Okay.
So
Anybody have any?
tomorrow we are available, right?
Yes, we are available.
Okay.
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow. We need to complete that this one also. 1 second, let me stop it.